You know, so many people interested in this storm now on the East Coast. We did a live Facebook newscast tonight.
Yeah.
And you mentioned the term thunder snow, and several people wrote saying, what is a thunder snow?
Yeah, it's reserved for the strongest of storms, and it's kind of like a thunderstorm. It's just so much lift in the atmosphere, and whenever you get underneath thunder snow, you can bank on almost 2 to 3 inches per hour snowfall rates.
Do you hear thunder?
You will hear thunder. You can see it. It's at nighttime. It's like this blue flash.
Yeah.
I've been in it a couple of times. It is really cool. I want to show you some video that's cool too, John. Sometimes if you can't beat them, you join them. These folks were stuck in traffic, I-75, Mount Vernon, Kentucky, for about 3 hours. They finally said, you know what? We're going to have a little fun with this. So they broke out the saxophone here and put on a show for all the folks stranded with the big storm. Big time snows that hit central and southern Kentucky. I want to show you a view now from Annapolis, U.S. Naval Academy. We've talked about snow and low visibility is going to be a big part of this because of the wind, and that's why we've got the blizzard warnings up for D.C., Baltimore, Philly, and New York. It's not the amount of snow, it's the sustained wind of 35 or higher visibilities, quarter mile of less. That will continue. The heavy snow is starting to really pick up in D.C. It's only going to ramp up overnight tonight. I do believe they are going to have quite a bit of thunder snow to deal with. Here's Future Track 13. Probably by the time Chuck's on the air, they will have easily over a foot of snow on their way to perhaps the heaviest snow on record for Washington, D.C., over 2 feet, and may have to up these numbers for New York. They might be in close to 20 inches before it's all said and done. It looks like some of the heavier pockets are heading to the north, so this is going to be a doozy. Put it in perspective here, we've only had about 6.5 inches since the 1st of December. So they're going to triple our values over there. All right, we've got single-digit wind chill temperatures right now. That's a big story for us because of that north wind at 18. It will continue overnight tonight. We get down to 15, wind chill 5 to 10 when you wake up tomorrow morning. But I do believe we start out the weekend with a better dose of sunshine here, and we're going to need it. We do climb into the lower 20s by 10 o'clock. Make a run at 30 degrees. It will never feel that warm because of the north to northwest wind. However, Sunday looking like the best of the bunch this weekend, and one of the warmer days we've had in a bit. We believe highs will make a run at about 40 degrees on Sunday with some sunshine, and that will precede a daytime high well into the 40s on Monday, but it will come with some rain, it looks like, by Monday evening. We change it back over to a little snow on Tuesday, some flurries around Wednesday, and right now for Thursday and Friday, a warming trend. Daytime highs in the mid and upper 40s.